What's going on, YouTube? It's hot out here today. I'm gonna caulk this shower, let y'all see how I do it, and finishing up a job today, so I'm gonna do a walkthrough. So stay tuned and check it out. This shower is pretty simple. Hopefully y'all can hear me okay. But I'm just gonna be caulking that one corner right there and that corner right there. Since this is a corner shower, if this was a three-walled shower, you know, of course, like say the wall was right there, you'd be caulking that corner too. Alright, so you just want to make sure your corners are good, clean and dry. I'm using a siliconized acrylic. I already have a video on caulking an area like this. Well, I already have a video of me using this caulking on a kitchen backsplash that kind of explains a little bit more about it. But I thought I'd show this get done since I have a little time today. If y'all would like to watch that video, I'll leave a link in the description. Hopefully that fan isn't jacking things up too bad. I know it looks like I'm making a mess, but it'll all be alright in just a second. I'm going to bring you close up here in a minute so you can see what it all looks like. See what it all looks like a little better right after I clean this spot. You don't want to let this stuff sit too long because it does dry quick, especially with that fan on it. Bring you a little closer. Hopefully you can see that alright. Always go ahead and hit the bottoms of them too, just to prevent any moisture from getting in. I know, I'm messy. If you clean this stuff off quick, like right after you do it, like I'm doing, it doesn't take much pressure. Then you can kind of just tweak on it a little bit, make it what you want it, once you get the bulk of it off. Pretty much same process. It is the same process. All the way down that corner. In my opinion, I think this is about the easiest product to use. Well guys, if you found this informational, go ahead and leave me a like and a comment down below. I'm going to leave a link in the description to my other caulking video because it goes a little bit more in depth to the process of it all. I was just kind of letting y'all watch me get this done because it was quick, easy, and simple. So, but I'm going to go ahead and clean up, finish up what I got to do a little bit, and then we'll go take a walk through the house and show you what we got going on in this one. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps up my day. Just hopped in the truck, thought I'd give a little outro before I hit the road. If y'all like the walkthroughs through the houses after we get done, go ahead and smash that like button or leave a comment and let me know. I can start doing more of those. I'm trying to figure out what everybody wants to see. Either how-to videos, time lapses, finished product walkthroughs. You know, if I'm anything, leave me a comment and let me know, and I'll do my best to find the time to make some footage for you. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and call it quits today. We're going to start another one tomorrow, so I hope you all have a good one, and go ahead and smash that subscribe button before I close this out. Peace.